Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on active status on Snapchat. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Snapchat is known for being a very transparent app. It offers many features that others app don't, like notifying you if someone took a screenshot in your chat or replayed a snap. And also, Snapchat allows people to see when you're active on your Snapchat. So how to do it? How if you want to enable or turn on the active status on your Snapchat, maybe you've accidentally turned off the feature and now you want to turn on the active status again. It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Snapchat. Now you can just tap on the up left corner on your Bitmoji icon on here. You can tap on the up right corner on the gear icon on here on the settings. You can scroll down. On privacy control section, there is an option activity indicator. You can just tap on that. Now you can just tap on the toggle on here to enable to turn on the active status. So when this enabled, others can see if you have been active on Snapchat recently. It's so simple, right? So that is how to turn on active status on Snapchat. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!